Hey everybody! So today we're doing another under 30-minute challenge. I only have 20 minutes today, like always. And since you requested it, we are going to be doing Queen Elsa. I'm excited about this. What will this look like? I don't know. So I took 20 minutes to psych myself up. I'm going to start the timer now and we're just going to see how this plays out. Go. Okay, I'm not using a skull cake because I know that her features are very cartoonish and not like realistic like the skull cake would make them. So I've got to carve this from scratch. And we got to make her hair tall. So I got to account for all that volume in her hair. So where's her face and her hairline? Her hairline's like right here. I'm drawing with my knife, everybody. So we're going to cut this down and then we need to cut down by her eye too. Okay, I'm going to start creating this beautiful jawline like that. Oh my god, this is the most carving I've ever done on a face cake. Oh, no, don't scroll. Don't scroll. Don't ever scroll. Oh, so what do I gotta do now? Okay, I gotta cut this baby in half. And we gotta add some buttercream in the middle because it is a cake and that's what cakes do. Okay, that's good. That's good. Just flatten it out just a little bit and then I'll put her face back on. Add buttercream everywhere. Oh, this is looking good. I'm doing a good job. Pat myself on the back. Queen Elsa, you're gonna be proud of this cake. I don't want fondant. I don't want crumbs on my fondant. Please, no crumbs on the fondant. You go over here, Elsa. Roll the fondant out here. The good thing is because I carved the shape, I don't really have to add cake ball dough or fondant underneath it to enhance like her features, like her cheeks. Oh my god. Oh, I gotta build her nose. It's like a little button nose. Like right there? Okay, and our fondant on top, like this. Dirty laundry, put it under your bed. I want to make sure I do her tiny nose right. It's so tiny, look how small the nose is. I've got... I don't know how much time I have. What am I doing? I'm using way too much of my hands. Over here? Oh my god. 10 minutes. I wonder if I could like cut out the shape on my iPad. Trace on the iPad to make sure that we get the right shape. Good. So we got one eye. Oh, that's perfect! And we need the other eye. Here. And I want to make sure I do her eyes first because otherwise it's going to get lost in the rest of what I have to do. I got black for her eyes. This one is like right here. Okay. Oh my god, my workstation is appalling. How do I do your hair? Okay. We're going to do this and this. And her forehead is right there. I need more fondant. Oh my gosh, I don't want to screw this up. Flatten it out and it like curves, right? Like that. Come on! Flatten out! I don't have time to use the ruler. And like that. Add some lines so you know that it's her hair, right? I want to make sure you know that that's her hair. I gotta do the braid, okay? That's gonna have to do for now. Makeup. Makeup time, makeup time, makeup time. Oh, I put too much. Okay, that's fine. It's fine. I'll just correct it later. There's a little bit of pink. I don't want it to look like Mimi from the Drew Carey show. Oh, is that it? I don't know. Oh, but it goes all the way to the end of her eye, like this. I think I got this. I hope I have this. I think I do. She's got thin lips, so I gotta make sure I do the lips thing. And the bottom lip. 1 minute. Under her eye, it's like a little bit. I'm going to just add. Are they thick? It looks like this. Same thing here. Where does it start? I got this, 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 I got this. Oh, this blue is way too dark. Oh my god, okay. Well, I don't really have a choice now. 20 seconds. Oh my god, 20 seconds. Come on. 13, 10, 9, 8, 7. Oh no, okay, I'm done. Oh gosh. I feel disappointed, but the more that I look at this for 20 minutes, it looks like her. I didn't think it was gonna turn out this good, but it did. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I made that in 20 minutes. Who would eat it? I don't know. The fondant was on my iPad, so nobody. It's a flat cake, but there's dimensions. Like you can see the indentations of her cheek. You can see where her eyes go down and how her nose goes up. So on a scale from 1 to 10, how would you rate this? I give this a solid 6, maybe. It doesn't look exactly like her, but it has the spirit of Elsa. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments what character you'd like to see me create next in 20 minutes. I love you. I'll see you very soon. Peace.